the scope of variables, which means where we define the variables and where we can use them. Now, we have two types of variables according to scope. We have global variables and local variables. The global variables are defined in the main script and Python shell. For example, a simple function f. Notice that I didn't send any argument to the function because it doesn't take arguments, but there's x inside the function, and I defined x outside the function. Any variables defined in the script are in the global scope, and they are considered global variables. Let's run the code. As you see here, although the function didn't take any arguments, but because x is a global variable, it took the value of x, squared it, and assigned it to y, and returned it, and we have now the result 9. Local variables are defined inside the functions or as arguments. For example, y here is called a local because it is defined inside a location which is inside function f. Another property for the global variables that their values cannot be changed locally. For example, x So I try to change the value of x because x is defined inside the function. It has the value 3, but now I want to change the value of x inside the function to 5. And we have an error here. It cannot access local variable x where it is not associated with a value. What does this mean? Here it describes x as a local variable. Why? Because the global variables are overridden by local variables when they have the same name. Now, when I defined x as 5, when I put x in the left side of an equal sign, this is a definition. And once I defined x here, the function automatically considered the x in the first line as a call to a local variable. But here we see that the opposite happened because the call came before the definition. So to correct this situation, we need to reverse the order here. It ran normally. What about the local variables? Local variables are not defined in the main script or in the global scope. For example, print y, and I run the code. Name y is not defined because y is a local variable. It is defined inside the function, but it is not defined outside the function. So for that reason, I can't reach y directly in this way. Instead, the values of the local variables can only be transferred to the main script through the return statement, exactly as we did in this print here. Actually, the print calls the function and prints the returned value and not the variable. The variable is local, it is hidden inside the function. However, sometimes we may need to define a local variable as a global variable. And here comes the global keyword. Now, how global keyword works? Global and local variables are defined in both scopes if defined as global inside the function. For example, if I come here, and it should be at the top before using the variables inside the function. So I go to the top line inside the function and I write global y. And here I say now print y. The second 10 is the value of the y, and we see we don't have error message. Why? Because now y is defined in the global scope. Also, we can define a global variable as a global inside the function in order to prevent the overriding. Let's define x here as a global too. change this, and it was in the second line, let's see, there's no error now because the x has changed its value inside the function, but now it is global. If I say x here, it will give me the value 5. So the value x equals to 5 became global. That means even if it is inside the function, it is not local. It is a global, and it will be changed. So x now is not 3, it is 5. Functions are used as black boxes. That means the function has an entrance. What is the entrance to the function? Arguments. The function also has an exit. What's the exit? The return. So if you use the global, actually you are bypassing the entrance and the exit of a function, and that can make the program very, very confusing. So for that reason, I highly recommend not to use global keyword or definition of global variables extensively in your work. You can use it only if there is no any other solution to define a variable inside or outside a function. Another interesting fact that global keyword can be used with user-defined functions in the local scope. For example, ff. So this is a lambda function inside def function. And if I say print ffx this way and run the function, he will say name ff is not defined because it is a local function. Yes, it's a function, but is defined inside another function, so it is a local function, so it is not defined in the Python shell or in the main script. So for that reason, we cannot use it directly from outside. But if we add it to the list of the global and run the function now, so as you see, it is accepted. So it became global, and we can call it from the script directly, or we can call it, for example, if we say print ff4. However, functions usually are defined globally. So it will be already defined inside the function. So if we say here, return ff8, it's returned as 1.6